Okay, so picture this. It's 2:15 p.m. and you've just wrapped up the third presentation of the day and you're just thinking to yourself, nailed it. But then someone from the client's side unmutes and goes, cool. So what are the actual next steps? Most marketing presentations do not fail just because they're bad ideas, but because no one knows what the hell you want them to do. Let's pick stuff. All right, so if you're ready, let's get into it. The single biggest mistake people do in marketing presentations is this. They don't blend the message. And yes, that is enough reason. So basically what they're doing is that they're presenting information, not a point. Here's the thing. Marketing is persuasion. It's storytelling. It's movement. So if someone watches your presentations and they go, that was interesting, no, that is a neutral reaction and marketing isn't neutral. So you're asking, what do you need? I need this in my life. Let's talk about budget. So basically, yeah, shut up and take my money. Okay, guys, so in this next step, we're going to talk about how to fix this. Step 1 is to write the takeaway first. Before you touch a single slide, write down in plain English what you want your audience to think, feel, and do. Yeah, literally. Think about your core message. Feel what emotion you would like to trigger and do what action you want next. No guesswork, just get clear before you build. Step 2 is something I always say, ruthlessly cut the fluff. So what you want to do is go slide by slide and ask, does this move the message forward? Or am I just trying to sound impressive? Most decks can lose 30 to 50% of their slides and get better. Less info, more focus. In the third step, you need to tell a story in, not a status update. People always remember narratives, not bullet points. We hate bullet points. They're so mechanical and you can't relate to them. But stories and narratives, yeah, that's the heart of it. Your deck should have a clear arc. Problem, insight, solution, and action. No gimmicks, just structure. You have to give them a reason to care and a clear path to follow along the way. And that's it. That's the backbone. Okay, guys, there is this last one little trick that I used that completely changed how I present. Start with the end slide. And no, I'm not kidding. Not at the end of the deck. At the start of your prep. Literally, just design your last slide first. Make it so clear and strong that if you only had 60 seconds to pitch, you feel confident with just that one slide. Then build everything else backward from that. Every insight, every chart, every idea only makes the cut if it earns a place and support of that ending. It forces discipline. And more importantly, your audience leaves with something in their minds that they will actually remember later. And if you can manage that, it means you've got the hang of it. All right, so that was the fifth, guys. The next time you're building a marketing presentation, don't start with the slides. So what are you going to start with? Exactly. Your point. Cut the fluff, build your story, and make damn sure they will leave the room knowing exactly what to do. So if you like this video, please share it with someone that has an upcoming pitch or presentation. If you want more videos like this, you know what to do. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next video.